have t-shirts that have been sitting on a shelf that are not getting worn? Save the environment by recycling them and offer your pet a toy to play with. For this project, you will need one t-shirt, scissors, a ruler, a piece of paper or cardboard, and a marker. Begin by taking your piece of paper or cardboard and measure a rectangle 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Cut out the rectangle. This will be your guide. Trace the rectangle onto the t-shirt. You will need 6 strips to make one cat toy. Cut out the rectangles from the fabric. Make t-shirt yarn by tugging lightly on each side of the rectangle. Continue to do this until you have all 6 strips. Line up the 6 strips of your t-shirt yarn and make one knot in the middle. Make sure the knot is tight and get ready to play. You can spray with catnip to get extra engagement out of your pet.